This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for October 25, 2024. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down again by 1.29 points or 0.32% to 404.42. Total trade volume was down and light, with 43,385 shares changing hands at a total value of 176 million real, or approximately $43,400. On the main board, two stocks were up. Leading the market was Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, up 0.90% or 20 real to 2,230 real per share, followed by Pestec Cambodia, which was up 0.41% or 10 real to 2,430 real per share. On the downside, MJQ Education was the biggest loser of the day, down 0.98% or 20 real to 2,020 real per share, followed by Cam GSM, which was down 0.41% or 10 real to 2,420 real per share. Other stocks down included Akleda Bank, Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, and the Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority. Meanwhile, the Sihanoukville Autonomous Port and Grand Twins International remained flat. Over on the growth board, JS Land was up 0.29% or 10 real to 3,450 real per share, while DBD Engineering dropped 0.49% or 10 real to 2,050 real per share. MJQ Education recorded the highest trade volume of the day, with 20,960 shares changing hands at a total value of 42.7 million real, or around $10,500, making up roughly 47% of total shares traded on October 25th. Akleda Bank recorded the second highest trade volume of the day, with 11,802 shares changing hands at a total value of 86 million real, or roughly $21,200, accounting for around 27% of Friday's trade volume. In other market news, MJQ Education was awarded the Best Corporate Disclosure Award 2024 by the Cambodia Securities Exchange on October 25th at the Cambodia Stock Market Exhibition. MJQ Education states that this prestigious award reflects its commitment to transparency, trust, and excellence as the company continues to be a leader in Cambodia's education sector. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD strengthened to 4,061 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 104.03. Looking at global commodities, oil prices nudged higher on Friday and were on track for a weekly gain of more than 1% as tensions in the world's top oil-producing region, the Middle East, and a restart in Gaza ceasefire talks in the coming days kept traders on edge. Brent crude futures climbed 31 cents or 0.4% to $74.69 a barrel. Gold prices eased but were on track for a third straight weekly gain as investors sought the safe haven metal in the backdrop of rising geopolitical tensions. Spot gold eased 0.2% to $2,729.35 per ounce due to profit-taking. Prices hit a record high of $2,758.37 on Wednesday and are up 0.3% so far in the week. U.S. gold futures fell 0.3% to $2,741.90. Asia-Pacific stocks mostly rose Friday. However, Japan's Nikkei 225 slipped around 0.8% as Tokyo's inflation in October dropped to a six-month low of 1.8% year-on-year. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, S&P 500 futures were muted Friday morning after the broad index ended a three-day negative streak. Futures tied to the broad index added less than 0.1%, as did Nasdaq 100 futures. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures rose just 4 points. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for October 25th.